About 18th day of October 2008 in the evening, a vehicular accident transpired along the RT Highway, Barangay Tarcan, Baliwag, Bulacan, wherein the motorcycle, while traveling in the said highway, coming from the north and heading towards south direction, and upon reaching at place of incident, vehicle, while on the process of turning left, hit or bumped the motorcycle as consequences. Thereof incurred damages and driver sustained physical injury and was brought to Our Lady of Mercy Hospital, Pulilan, Bulacan, for medical treatment.